Are you ready to make Christmas cookies?
Yeah.
Okay, let's get started. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am here today with my son. Do you want to say hi? Say hello.
Hello.
We're going to bake some Christmas cookies. I thought it would be an interesting little project to do with him. So I wanted to take you guys along. So are you ready to make Christmas cookies, Tristan?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah? Okay, let's get started. I found a pretty easy recipe online, and the first thing it says to do is to put butter and sugar inside of a mixer and then cream it together. So we're gonna put the butter inside, okay? We're gonna count. Are you ready? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Faster! No touch. No faster. No touch.
No.
Oh no. Are you eating the sprinkles? Why? Is it yummy?
It is.
Okay. Okay, no more sprinkles. All done sprinkles. Okay everyone, we are back now. The cookies have been chilling in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes. I do that so it doesn't spread too much when it's baking. And I'm just going to grab a cookie scoop and just spray it very lightly with some cooking spray, and we're gonna go ahead and make our cookies. So.
No.
We're gonna add the M&Ms on top. Remember the green and the red?
Good.
Mm-hmm.
What?
Red and green. Like this.
Good.
Mm-hmm.
What?
It's gonna go in the oven. Are you ready? Okay.
Hello.
Let's put this in the oven.
Hi.
So this is the cookies when they come out of the oven. They're still pretty warm and not set yet. You wanna taste that one, Tristan? Here, let me taste it. Mmm. It's warm. It's hot. Okay, you can have it. Mmm.
Happy.
Is it good? You want some? Even she approves. Ching! All right, bye guys.
Bye, sir.